Detroit, 2026. This abandoned industrial complex was sealed shut down. Then, they found the skin. It wasn't just large, it was impossible. The scales were as high. Biologists say a reptile of this magnitude shouldn't exist in our ecosystem, but the evidence was the deeper they went, the more the factory felt like a living organism. The pipes weren't carrying steam anymore. The thermal scan confirmed their worst fears. Something with a body temperature higher than any known reptile was and then, the factory spoke back. A sound that wasn't mechanical. Whatever was living here had already claimed its first victim. The demolition was no longer a job, it was a rescue mission. But it wasn't just one monster. Deep in the heart of the facility, a new generation was about to hatch.
The machines hadn't been powered for 40 years, yet something was making them move.
The physical strength required to dent reinforced steel like this was astronomical. They weren't the first ones to discover this place, but as the footage showed, they might be the last ones to see it. The resident of level 4 was no longer hiding. The fall of the crane was a trap. The predator wasn't just big, it was intelligent. It was driving them deeper into the maze. They found a way into the restricted records. Here, the secrets of the factory's true purpose were buried under 40 numbers. This wasn't an accident. In the 1980s, the government funded a secret experiment, biological weapons. They used heavy radiation to rewrite its DNA, but the project was abandoned when the ventilation cyst. The archives were empty because the subject had found a new home in the factory's veins. Every exit was sealed, not by locks, but by the creature's own biological secretions. And then, the scanner revealed a new nightmare. The subject wasn't alone. It had the heart of the infection. This is where the first hatchling escaped its glass prison 40 years ago. The predator had been feeding on local wildlife for years, pulling them through the broken skylights into its iron kingdom. Isolation. The factory seemed to be working with the predator, dividing the crew to make them easier targets. He could feel the heat radiating through the wall, a wall of muscle and scales, moving with the silence of a ghost. Then, the sliding stopped. It knew he was there. It was no longer a hunt. Communication was dead. All that was left was the taste of fear in the air.
Got the cameras working.
They finally got him, and for the first time, they saw the true scale.
A weight that should be impossible for any land animal. It was a biological god.
The rising tension had reached its breaking point. The time for hiding was over. The king of the factory had arrived to reclaim his throne. Behold the god of Project Python. 100 feet of...
Its skin wasn't just scales, it was an organic armor. Evolution had been repligrous.
One flick of its tail carried the force of a high-speed train. Every movement was a calculation. In that moment, the crew realized they weren't the hunters. They were the bait in a 50-year-old experiment that it didn't need light to see. Its infrared sensors could track a heartbeat through a 2-foot-thick concrete wall. It was dismantling the factory to get to them. Level by level, the iron maze was being crushed by the weight of its own master. The flare revealed the true horror. They weren't fighting a snake. They were fighting a force of nature that had integrated Project Python's final secret, a neurotoxic venom that could melt industrial plastics and paralyze a human in seconds. It was everywhere. The ventilation shafts that once carried air were now the high-speed highways for the factory's apex predator. Every flick of its tongue analyzed their adrenaline levels, their fear, and their location. There was nowhere to hide. 4 tons of muscle, applying millions of pounds of pressure. It was a living hydraulic press, capable of flesh. Its silence was more terrifying than its roar. For a giant of its size, it moved.
Saw the world as its playground. Every fire, every explosion, only made... It was communicating. Not just a sound, but a vibration that could be felt in their bones.
The eggs had hatched. Project Python's legacy was no longer a secret. It was an infestation. Small, fast, and deadly. Even the hatchlings possessed a bite that could melt through industrial rubber. Fire was their only shield. For a brief moment, the blue flame pushed the darkness back, but the king wasn't afraid of the heat.
The factory was its weapon. It used the steam, the falling debris, and the total darkness to... The scanner was useless in the heat. They were flying blind in a room filled with 4 tons of predatory muscle. Every move it made was a disaster. The factory's toxic past was now being unleashed, turning the floor into... The engineering of Project Python was flawless. Acid, fire, and steel meant nothing to a hide. The fog was a death sentence. In this white abyss, the Predator was the only one who truly knew the way out. The king had given the order. The harvest was no longer for him. It was for the future of the species.
One strike to end it all. Every piece of history, every record of their existence, was being porous. He saw it then, not an animal, but a mirror of human ambition gone wrong. A final descent. There was no more running. They were now in the belly of the beast, where the oldest secrets were kept. The struggle had reached its peak. The exit was in sight, but between them and freedom stood the ultimate guardian of the dark.
The exit was 300 feet away. But in this black water, the king was no longer a snake.
He was toying with them, closing the circle. Project Python had created a hunter that understood that there was only one way out. To destroy the nest, they had to ignite the ghost of the factory. It was a suchet. The king felt the vibration of the valve. He knew the end was near. It was a race as near, the only thing more powerful than the Titan. The basement turned into a furnace of blue light and white-hot heat. They ran. Not for the job, not for the rescue, but for the right to breathe another day.
They emerged from the bowels of the earth as ghosts. Behind them,
50 years of secrets, buried in seconds. The demolition was complete, but the cost...
Even in death, the king was defiant. A final warning to the world that nature did. But when the sun rose, there was no body in the rubble. Only a trail. A path leading to Persits. They wouldn't tell anyone. Who would believe them? They had looked into the eye of a god and records were lost. The records were lost, but the mission had already evolved. The factory was just the nursery. The city thought the danger was over. But in the dark beneath their feet, the heartbeat of the ruins was getting louder. He is still out there, watching, waiting for the next era of shadows.
the king is gone.
The cycle is absolute. Beware the shadows you...